My name is Bill McMillan. I'm the Executive Director here at the Restore Warehouse. The Restore Warehouse is really like a big circle of love. It's really neat to watch and see the way product comes in and goes out, and then we support, and people's lives are changed, but it all starts with a donation. We accept things like furniture and appliances, windows, doors. We've seen a little bit of everything in here. Our money gets divvied up to many nonprofit organizations in the Fayetteville area. Our leading partner we've been with, attached at the hip with for 20 years, is Fayetteville Urban Ministry. We've worked with Kids Peace, which is foster kids. We sponsor youth sports teams. We believe in kids should have exercise. The School of Hope for autistic kids, what they're doing down there and providing those kids a safe environment and opportunity to learn. And we're really looking at making a difference in the next generation. So we believe that by investing today, we're going to get a better tomorrow. We've been doing this for 20 years now. We're all making Fayetteville a better place. We all have our own lane that we're to fill. This is giving people a chance who are really not at a point where they can take the next step. We're trying to help them take that first step.